Hi, Mom.
Hi.
You've never...
I'm taller than you.
I know. That's never happened before.
That's never happened before.
I'm Jill with Handmade, and I'm here with my mom, Sue. Mom.
Hi.
We're here. We have one bouquet of grocery store flowers that we're going to make into something very beautiful. That's where my mom comes in. Mom, what are we going to do today?
We got some grocery store flowers and some greens from nature, and we're going to turn it into one big flower arrangement.
Great, let's do it.
All right.
Mom always says the most important thing to making a flower arrangement is keeping it pretty for as long as you can.
So we're going to make some flower food.
The first thing you'll need is 1 quart of water,
A tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of vinegar.
Making a big, beautiful flower arrangement requires a big container, but sometimes they can be very hard to use. But Mom's got a little bit of a secret.
So we have a big basket here, but inside we have little individual containers to put our flowers in. Having these individual containers helps give your flowers structure so they stand up straight.
The first thing we're going to do is fill each individual vase with water. This water contains our plant food and will keep our flowers fresh. Also, to add structure to your arrangement, you can add chicken wire within each vase for the stems to stand. Now that we're all prepped, it's time for the fun part. Mom, grab the flowers.
All right.
So when we went out in the woods, we foraged a lot of different items.
So all this stuff you see right here is our filler, and we're gonna start with that first. The tallest ones go in the center.
Okay.
And which one do you
How about
like
these
for
pretty
this?
light green ones that are really tall?
When you're starting with something tall like this, you don't want it to be taller than 1.5 times your container that you're using.
Is this a good spot?
Yes.
And you cut them on an angle, right?
Yeah, cut them on an angle so they can feed. And you gotta take the leaves off the bottom.
Are you supposed to arrange all of the same types of flowers or branches first, or do you vary them?
You should arrange them first by the same type.
All right, what do we put in next?
What do we put in next? I like these berries. What do you think?
Okay, that sounds great.
You can put it all the way around or just kind of let it fall over there.
Okay.
That looks pretty.
All right.
Would you like to try some yellow?
Yeah, sure.
All right. I'll hand these to you. Take off the leaves off the bottom
Okay.
or any buds or anything. The leaves should not be submerged in the water. That's what how they get bacteria, and it kills the rest of the flowers.
Mom, what's your favorite Mother's Day gift that you've ever gotten?
I don't know. You're a gift.
Aw, that's really sweet. Does that mean I'm your favorite child?
Well, I wouldn't say that. I don't have.
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
I don't
Okay.
have a favorite child. You guys are very different. Very different.
That's a nice,
And I love you both.
nice way to say it.
I love you
Oh,
both.
thanks, Mom.
Okay.
Trim these down.
We need to trim them down. And then if you want to put some in back, you're going to leave them high
Okay.
so we can see them.
When did you start doing this? Arranging flowers.
Oh, I don't know, maybe in my 30s?
Okay. I remember growing up, there were always flowers arranged all over the house.
Yeah.
Although they were usually silk flowers.
Yeah.
And I never understood why you. I was like, these don't smell like anything. Why are they out?
Because they live longer.
Yeah.
So you never want your natural flowers to look symmetrical, but you do want them to look balanced.
In height and in color?
Not necessarily height so much as, the color needs to be balanced.
Okay.
Heights can be a little bit different like they are here. I mean, they're not all the same height. And it looks nice.
We did it, Mom!
I know, they're so pretty. Just like you.
Aw, thanks. I can't believe we found these just in your backyard. It came together so beautifully.
Nature can be beautiful.
Mom, what about me annoys you the most? Just put you right on the spot.
Oh, how you drive.
What do you mean?
You drive like a crazy woman.
I've got places to be,
Yeah,
and I
I
need
know.
to get there quickly.
Gotta be careful.
Not all of us can drive like a grandma.
That's true.
Thank you so much for joining us today. What are you getting your mom for Mother's Day? Make sure to tell us in the comments below.
Give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
See you next time.
Happy Mother's Day.